Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories is here again, and on this video I would like to show you how I made closure for that book guest, something like that. I think it's my idea, so I like to share with you. Let's go to do it. So what we will need, of course you can measure different way, but what I did was I take paper 22 by 17 centimeter. Ugh, that is so bad light. What I can do? Okay, and then I will try. If it's not better, probably yes. Okay, so on this piece I measure from top 11 and 11 and 2.5, 1 point, 1 second is this way, because I did already, so it's something like that. Doesn't matter, it's depend how big paper you will have, and that for this mark 11 and half from this edge I cut little hole, but just half centimeter from edge and next, so make little way little hole to make for this slide circle to go in. So now I take two pieces which measure 19 and 30, 13 and a half centimeter, and I fold them on half. That light is so bad. And now I glue it. More on this side, but make half centimeter piece where we'll slide this circle. Okay, so it's one, and other one on the bottom. It's like this. Okay, so we have now two possibility to write something. Now I take it, this push part, and to my circles. I put them right on the hole, take this needle and make two holes. 1, 2. Then I take a thread with needle and sew this circle, one on top and other on the bottom. So I take this needle and put through this hole, okay, through this hole. Then I take other circle. I don't have glasses on my ears, but it's okay. So it's like that. Then put the needle through the hole on both. Hop, hop, hop. Nechoď mi preč. Don't go away. Can you imagine? So, what I want to tell and what I want to show, it's important to go with needle through this both circle. And now I just close this thread. I hope you will understand me. I put glue, again closed. I want the thread well tight on the circle. And now I just make bow. Make smaller, like this, and like this. And again I put glue because that thread is moving. So, and that's all. Make shortly that, and now we need let dry this glue, and that's all. And then just we can move, and that two booklets are closed. So hope you will understand. Sorry about that light, but I really try to show you. And now I'm moving to Switzerland to visit my granddaughters. So I want to show you before I leave in. Okay, thank you very much to visit my channel and hope it help you. So it's nice closure you can use for any, doesn't have to be circle, can be square, oblong, anything, some pictures. And then when you will glue, so be careful to put tape or glue not on this circle, so have to be something like that. Again, be careful not to put glue on this part. And then just take everything off and we can glue on some page. Like here, yes. First I make the basic, this one, and then I glue on the page, this basic. So thank you very much again and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.